Hi, this is Nic Barrow, founder of the Snooker Gym. We have some worldwide breaking news this week from the Snooker Gym in that the world's first franchise agreement has been signed in Pakistan to bring the Snooker Gym brand into Pakistan. My great friend Arshad Qureshi and his team have shown a lot of commitment to this project, and I'm very excited to announce that in Islamabad, in the main training centre, they'll have a facsimile of this training room, which will include the playing experience, all the video equipment and the coaching toys and goodies that this famous YouTube room has become known for. In addition, they will be introducing the Snooker Gym palette of products into the Pakistan market, and perhaps at some point translating some or all of the written and video content. In addition, there will be tournaments, road shows, activities, maybe even some live web streaming of some of the training or tournament events. And I'd like to extend my heartfelt thanks to Arshad and his team and wish them all the very best now and well into the future.